cough attacks and spreads by malicious airborne droplets. Preys upon babies under 1 year old who have not been vaccinated. Also preys upon 11 to 18-year-olds whose vaccinations are no longer effective. The crook's hideout is in the lungs. Most common injuries found in his victims are sore throat, coughing, and vomiting. Danger scale of 1 to 10, he kills children. 48.5 million are affected each year. And 295,000 die. The most effective weapon against that guy is vaccination. Other identifying characteristics are his black hat, his signature black coat, and his astronaut shoes.